Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you all are safe and staying at your homes. So this video is second part of the flower painting series. Basically, I'll show you 3 different tutorials on 3 different flower paintings. And if you are interested in the previous tutorial, I'll link it at the end of this video. But in this video, we're gonna paint a sunflower. So let's begin. Now add some darker petals to the flower. And on the darker petals, here I am adding little lighter petals again. You can always add many petals of different shades like this. And now start painting the leaves with yellow and green. Here I am adding some brown strokes to the flower. Now add some white highlights like this. And here I am completing my leaves with the darker shade. In the end, complete the center part of the flower by putting some black at the edge. Now take the detailing brush and start painting the details of the leaves. And here I am adding some white dots at the center of the flower. Now when you are done with the flower, start painting the background. And in the end, add some white random strokes like this. Then let everything dry and you are done. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, then do hit the like button. And yeah, don't forget this painting is a part of this series, so if you want to see last painting, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching, have a great day, and I'll be back with the last part very soon. Till then, stay safe and take care.